Make a great choice today with the 2018 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, panoramic sunroof, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.